What's up guys, my name is Chris. I'm one of the skate experts here at It Again Sports in Kelowna. Today we're going to be talking about the different kinds of skate sharpenings that you can get and why it's very important to get your skate sharpened. So here at It Again Sports in Kelowna, we can do a multitude of different kinds of skate sharpenings for you. We do everything from hockey skates, goalie skates, as well as figure skates. Each sharpen is a little different depending on what kind of skater you are or depending on the type of ice surface that you're playing on. Even your position in hockey will dictate what kind of sharpen you want. We do everything from 1/2 inch to 3/8 for hockey skates, 5/8 for goalie skates, and 5/8 for figure skates. Again, all of these are just our standard sharpens, but whatever you choose to have, we can accommodate here at It Again Sports. Alright guys, one of the biggest reasons why skate sharpening is important is not only for hockey players can it be one of your best tools in your bag, but it can also be a safety factor for yourself. Hockey players love to either have a dull skate or a super sharp skate, but one of the things that I totally recommend is making sure that you have a sharp skate, so not only for your safety on the ice and others, you're able to skate properly, be that much better on the ice. For goaltenders, they like to have a dull skate. One of the reasons why is just to be able to push side to side in their crease and be able to get up and down without catching an edge. Also, when their blades are flying around trying to make that save, the potential of cutting another player or injuring themselves is very minimal. For figure skaters, they like to have a multitude of different kinds of sharpenings depending on what type of skater they are. Whether they're a competitor or whether they're just a recreational skater, each one is completely different. I definitely recommend getting your skate sharpened if you're just a recreational skater so you can go out and enjoy it. But we will also accommodate those who are in competition to make sure that they have a proper edge to compete to the highest level. Alright guys, the first step is to figure out what you want best for your skates. The second step is to make sure that we set our sharpening wheels up for your sharpen. The third step is to cross grind the skates. The fourth step, and one of the most important steps, is making sure that we put your skates on the holder properly and make sure that it's properly balanced. Fifth step is to sharpen your skates using the sharpening wheel. The sixth step is to finish off your skates with one shot of Gusto Glide, which helps polish your blade and cool our sharpening wheel down. The seventh step is to put them on our level to make sure that your sharpen is perfectly flat. Final step is to take your skates and hone the edges to remove any burrs that are left over. Finally guys, if you have any questions at all regarding your skates or the sharpenings that we provide, feel free to bring your skates down here to It Again Sports in Kelowna, where any one of our fantastic sharpening team members will be able to answer your questions at any time.